Welcome to clickmyproj.com. Yeah, this is a theoretic rough set approaches for dynamic data mining. Now we discuss about abstract. So uncertainty and fuzziness generally exists in the real life data. So approximation of and employed to describe the uncertain information approximately in rough set theory. So certain and uncertain rules are introduced directly from different regions partitioned by approximation. So approximation can further be applied to data mining related tasks. Example attribute reductions are nowadays different types of data collected from different application envelope with term. Especially now attribute may appear while new objects are added. So in this paper present the approach for dynamic matrix approximations. But objects are attribute and added simultaneously under the framework decision theoretic of rough sets. So equivalence features, vectors and matrix are defined firstly to update the approximations of DTRs in different levels of currently. Then the information systems decomposed in the subsets of and equivalence features matrix is updated in the different subsets incrementally. So finally, the approximation of DTRs is are renewed during process of updating the equivalence features matrix and extends experiment result to verify the effectiveness of the proposed methods. In this subsection, we investigate the case when test set keep unchanged and added objects and attributes vary. So we want to answer the questions to what extent the proposed incremental method is effective or ineffective. We take out a 50% of object and attribute of different data. So we take out 50% of object and attribute of different data sets at the test set. So respectively, then the data sets from the rest of the data sets are added to the test respectively, which size is 10%, 20%, 90% of the each test set. The step addition is 10%. The result is respected for coordinator percentage to the size of objects and attribute added to the test set. So which start the from 10% to 90% size of the test, and the coordinate of point is computations of time of different algorithms. So square lines denote the computations of non-incrementally updating methods, or circle lines does not computation of algorithms. On the figure in the usually is the displays and the above 40% of slack and use case and some algorithms and AGCOASS in effectiveness object attribute added to data sets. Above 30% of algorithm work well as the data. So classes connect the in sequence will implement in these sections. We test the relative outcome of process. So this process mostly used into the outcome results. So let us bring guarantee and approaches for updating approximating in this converting DTRSS based on the new concept and equivalent features matrix we studied firstly. Then algorithm UGC proposed the updating approximation DTRS the dynamic data mining usage for equivalent features matrix. Now we discuss about flow diagram for this title. So first load the genetic data. This genetic data is the CSV file. So that file first converted to the text file and then using the another process. So based on this, and then selected the all attributes. That attributes is surprised and similarity measures. So surprise similarity measure is based on the selected the attributes. So first we are find the surprise similarity and unsurprised similarity, and then Keras cluster formations. So that formation is based on the supply similarity measures. Supply similarity is not using that Keras cluster formations. And then find the cluster formation. This cluster formation using the similarity and similarity is find to the again one more checking. And then finally collective attributes. That attributes are is finally using the performance classification. So performance classification is our algorithm is mostly help to the very secure and then accuracy find on the final result. So that is our goal. So that way, because that is very helpful to the final accuracy result is getting out this process based in the final results. So finally we get the results. Now discuss about So you start with start here. So this is home page. Yeah, this is the theory of rough setup approach for dynamic data mining. So first click go button. So this is popular value extraction process, and then browse. You choose to dataset file, CSV file. So extract that. Dataset are completely, and then load file. So this is all dataset values contain, and then this is sample values in sample 2, and then extract here. So select attribute value, object values of this genetic input. So first attribute values is selected. These all are attribute values, and then standard deviations. So this is a standard deviation based on this attribute values, and then multi probability selections. First entropy find. So mutual values entropy. So these are mutual entropy, and then conditional entropy compute. These all values are conditional entropy values, and then relevance. So relevant first find the weight values. So these all are weight values, and then find the neighborhood similarity to the attribute selections, because it very help to the results. So motivations values for unsummarized. So this ID members also unsummarized values, and then standard deviations. So this kind of users are standard deviation process, and then condition entropy find. So this is all the condition entropy process, and then unsummarized similarity. Unsummarized similarity is based on using the weight values. So this weight values are unsummarized similarity. So this is our IDs, and then summarized similarities. So similarity probability calculations. So feature 1, feature 2, and then values. So for this is formula. So this is all values, and then calculation and match ID, and then change set value, and then compute the final result. This value is nucleo, and then nucleo, and then so size, and then argument values. So these all are calculation process in background systems. Increment, iterative clusters, and final applications. Now this can be chosen. So final nucleus, cell shape, cell size, and the marginal size. So this is all are the cell shape, cell size different nucleus based on the cell size process, and the classification frame rules. This rule formation is used into the classification form. It will be equal to the accuracy finding result. So calculate the accuracy. So this one is the final result. So correctly classify this value, and incorrectly the decimal ones. And then accuracy graph, classification accuracy. So evaluations, so incorrectly classifications, and then performance evaluations. So evaluation association rules. That's all. Thank you.